Good morning students, this is Shailesh Kumar and in this video we will learn how to express a rational number into decimal. So there is a question, express as a decimal minus 9 by 14 and 35 by 16. There are two rational numbers are there. So this is very simple process that first of all we have to see the symbol. We will skip its symbol and write it here just like this in the bracket, and now I will divide 9 with 40. So 9 is smaller than 40, it has single digit number and it is two digit number. Therefore what I have to do, I will have to write 0 with it, and as I am writing 0, so I will have to place decimal in the quotient. Now 42 is 80. 1. Now 10 is again smaller than, and we will write 0 and place it here, but this time we will not place the decimal because decimal is placed only once. Now 42 is again 80. Now 20 is again less, so I will write a 0 and place it here. Now 45 is 200. So in the answer is 0.225. I write in place of 9 by 40 0.225, and now I will remove the bracket and write minus with this answer. So minus 9 by 40 can be expressed in the decimal form just like this. This is the answer. In this question you will see we have to divide 35 by 16. So count the table of 16 up to 2. 32. Now there is 3 and 3 is less than, therefore I will add a 0 here. So I will write decimal and I will draw 0 here, and 16 ones are 16, and after subtraction 4, and now 16, the counting of table 16, you see 16 is a 128 and on subtraction we get 12. So by placing 0, 16 sevens are 112, and here is 8 and again 0, and 16 fives are 1, no, only 80. So I got on the division the value of 35 by 16 is 2.1875. In this way we can convert any positive or negative rational number in the division or decimal form. Okay. Now it is written that express each of the following as a decimal as far as 3 decimal places. Here 2 by 9, the method is same as per we have done in earlier questions. So we will divide 2 by 9, as 2 is smaller, therefore I will write 0 and so place decimal in the quotient part. Now 9 2s are 18, again 2, so I will write 0 and drag 0 here. So 9 2s are 18. As you see, we are getting the remainder again and again 2 2 2, and we have to apply 0 and drag it after that again 18, again 18, and the process is not ending here. 1 2 3 and 4. Now but we have to find up to 3 places of decimal, so we have to divide up to 4 places. Okay, we have to divide one more place as per we have asked for the answer. Now 2 by 9 can be written into the decimal form 0.222 and 2 and so on. So at the 4th place the digit is less than 5. If the digit at the once more place than required is more than 5 or 5 or more than 5, then the value of the required decimal places is increased by 1, but if it is less than 5, then the value remain the same of its left-handed digit that is required in the question. So in the question we have asked as far as 3 decimal places. Here 3 decimal places, 1, 2, 3. Up to 3 places decimal, the last digit is 2. But at the 4th, it means one more digit place, decimal place, the digit is 2. That is less than 5. Therefore, we will not change this required decimal place. Therefore, the answer is 222. 0.222. That is the right answer. Similarly, here we have to convert this into decimal form up to 3 places of decimal. So here 9 is the complete number. We need not to do anything with 9. So I will divide just 11 with 21. Now 11 is smaller, therefore I will write 0. So as I have to place decimal. Now the table of 21 to the 42, 23 the 63, 24 the 84 and 25 the 105. So 105. Now 5 I will place 0. Now 22 the 42, 8. Now 23 the 63, 21 3 the 63. Now 7 and 17. Now 21 7s are 147 and 21 8s are 168. So 168. Here is 2. Now the required question was we have to find up to 3 places of 3 decimal places, but we have to solve up to 4 places of decimal. So 11 by 21 is equal to 0.5238. Now the 4th place is more than 5, so it can be written as minus 524. Clear? Because it is more than 5, therefore we will increase the digit by 1 to its left side. Okay, so 11 by 21 is equal to 0.524. Therefore minus 9 and 11 by 21 will be minus 9.524, as minus 9 is the integer and the decimal form of 11 by 21 is this. So I write it here. In this way we can convert decimal in this way we can convert the all rational numbers in the decimal forms up to required decimal places.